5, 6, 7, 8.
You're wrapped up in her world. She's your glamour girl. Painted lips, a painted point of view to disregard what's true. She's got endless eyes filled with harrowing surprise. She'll eat you up, spit you out. And when you think she's done, she's only just begun. Better run. Beauty like the day, something in the way she says your name. I hope you know it's touch and go. And I can tell that you're unwell. All your sleepless nights, her violent delights, your vicious fights freak you out. But then she looks at you and it's all brand new. Aw, yeah. Does she make you feel like you're really real? Yeah, me too, without a doubt. Beauty like the day, something in the way she said my name. I hope you know it's touch and go. As you can tell, I'm quite unwell. All wrapped up in her world, she was my glamour girl. Painted lips, her painted point of view, the only thing that's true.
Does it hurt? You poor thing.
All her endless eyes, yeah, it's no surprise. She ate me up, spit me out.